let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Gaia VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Gaia streaming and exploration experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Gaia users? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal data and browsing stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed while exploring Gaia's exclusive content. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which Gaia servers you connect to. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Gaia. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Gaia because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of trackers or fake Gaia offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect securely with friends for shared Gaia sessions or discussions. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run Gaia on your PC, tablet, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Gaia enthusiast can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than just a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. It's special sauce. It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for any Gaia user dealing with buffering or slow streaming, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for the lowest ping possible. This can help route your Gaia traffic for a smoother experience. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Gaia? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less lag and smoother Gaia streaming and browsing. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our test found its performance varies, with ping that can spike depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low ping and fast streaming are your top priorities, or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features for Gaia. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of devices or a whole household of Gaia explorers. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Gaia fan who needs solid proof to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Gaia. See you soon.